In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send Outlook emails for new Google Calendar events. So let's start. Select Google Calendar as trigger. Then choose New Event as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an account. Next, select an option for the calendar. Now in steps, we have to choose Outlook to send email. For that, select Microsoft Outlook. Choose Send Email as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link Account. Next, enter email Outlook address. Add a subject. Choose content type. Add message using Google Calendar app data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Calendar, click on Create, add a new title, and click on Save. Then go to Journey to check the execution. You see, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Microsoft Outlook. We can see a new email is received with the new event details. So, in this way, we can create automation journey to receive a new email on Outlook when a new event is created on Calendar. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.